On this video today, I'm going to show you a beginner-friendly platform that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is available worldwide, and the best part is that you can use the platform even if you're a complete beginner. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you the best offer that you can promote to make money from home. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be using CPA Group. CPA Group is one of the best CPA networks that you can find a lot of offers to promote. So just search for CPA Group. Once you search for it, you can create your free accounts and then join so that you can get offers to promote. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you're here, click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, select my offers. Once you click on my offers, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to find an offer to promote. Before you select an offer that you can promote, there are factors that you must consider. The first factor is the payout. You have to ensure that the payout is high so that when you are using paid traffic source, you can be making profit. Apart from that, you have to also look at the requirement, the category. If the requirement is very easy for your potential visitors to complete the offer for you to make money, you can promote the offer. For example, this one is mobile install and this one is email and zip. So when you compare the two offers, the second one is very easy for your potential visitors to complete the offer for you to make money. But the first one is difficult because not everyone that wants to install a mobile app onto their device. But when you talk of email and zip code, it is very easy for people to enter their email and zip code so that they can get access to the offer. So if I were to choose between these two offers, I would choose the second one. So you have to always consider the requirement. Apart from that, you have to also consider the devices. You can see this one is allowed on Android and this one is allowed on Apple iOS. So if you are promoting to developing countries, it is better to promote an offer that is allowed on Android because Android is popular in most of the developing countries. If you are promoting to a developed country like UK, United States, it is also good to promote offers that are allowed on Apple iOS because most of the people there can afford these kind of devices. So these are the factors that you must consider when you are promoting CPA offers. CPA offers, they are geo-specific, so you have to consider those factors. Apart from those factors, you have to also consider the traffic source that you have. You have to look at the country where you are getting most of your traffic before you select an offer to promote. You can promote offers in any country that you want. For example, if you want, you can click right here. Once you click on it, you can scroll down and then select any country that you want so that you can get available offers that you can promote to people who live in that country. You don't have to promote offers to any place that you want. You must promote a specific offer to a specific country so that the people who live there can take a specific action for you to get paid. You can see a whole lot of different countries. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to search for a country where we can get offers that will pay us higher amount when we get people to complete the requirement. So search for Switzerland. Once you search for Switzerland, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, you can see these are available offers that you can promote. You can see this one right here, you're going to be earning $20.53. This one you're going to be earning $5.48. This one you're going to be earning $10.78. And the best part is that the requirement is very simple. You can see pin submit. So all that your potential visitors need to do is that they have to click on your affiliate link, submit a pin so that they can get access to an offer and you are going to be paid the corresponding amount. For example, this one you're going to be earning $20.53. There are many of them, so if you scroll down, you can see a lot of different offers that you can promote to make money. You can see this one you're going to be earning $22.25 per every lead that you get. When you scroll down, you can see many others that you can promote. So select the one that you want so that you can promote it to make money from home. All the offers, the titles are written in German. So if you want, you can translate everything to English so that you can understand. To translate it, right click on your screen. Once you right click on it, you can see translate to English. Click on it so that everything will be translated. Once you click on it, you can see everything has been translated. This one is access the best content. That is a gaming offer. When you scroll down, you can see many others. So you can now understand what the offers are about. Once you understand what the offers are about, you can decide to promote any of them that you want. You can see this one is access the best content now. It is also a gaming offer and it is allowed on Android. The requirement is pin submit. When you scroll down, there are many others that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. Just promote the one that you want. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. You can see download the latest content. It is a gaming offer and it is allowed on desktop. You can see it right here. The payout is $22.25. So all that you need to do is that you have to click on it so that you can get your affiliate link and many other details. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. You can see the warning. This offer is only allowed in Switzerland, so you don't have to promote it to people who live outside Switzerland. You must promote it to people who live in Switzerland so that they can take the action for you to make money. There are many tracking domains, so if you want, you can click right here. Once you click on it, you can select any tracking domain that you want. But in this case, I'm not going to select any tracking domain. I'm just going to leave it at default. Now, once that is done, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in Switzerland to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details for you to make money. You can use the free traffic method to get people to click on your link. You can use the paid traffic method. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a cheap paid traffic method that you can use to get people who live in Switzerland to click on your affiliate link and then take the action for you to make money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is plugrush.com. Plugrush.com is a traffic network where you can sell traffic or you can buy traffic. It depends on whatever that you want. You can see right here, you can buy traffic on this website. If you also have a website, you can sell your traffic on this website. You can see you can also trade traffic on this website. So whatever that you want, you can do it on this website and you are going to be getting the results that you want. In our case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be advertising on the platform. So we are going to be buying traffic on this website. To buy traffic, you have to create an account so that you can be able to buy traffic on the platform. It is cheap and the minimum deposit is also low. So just search for plugrush.com. Once you search for it, you can create your free account. To create an account, click right here, register. Once you click on it, you have to enter your details so that you can get access to a free account. You can see these are the details that you need to enter. But the account type, you must select advertiser. You are an advertiser, so you must select an advertiser. Once that is done, you can enter your first name, last name, select your country, enter your Skype ID, and then you have to agree to the terms of service, privacy policy, and refund policy. Once that is done, click right here. I'm not a robot. Once you click on it, click on sign up so that you can get access to your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. You can see sell traffic. If you want to sell traffic, you can click on this option. You can see buy traffic, trade traffic, any of the options that you want. You can click on it. If you also want to refer people, you can click right here, referral program. Once you click on it, you can refer people to this website and you are going to be paid. In this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to buy traffic. We want to advertise our affiliate link on this website so that we can get people who live in Switzerland to click on our affiliate link and then take a specific action for us to make money. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, buy traffic. Once you click on it, you can see campaigns and statistics. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Click right here, create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you have to enter the title of your campaign. So just enter any name that you want. You can enter something like latest content. Just type something like this, latest content. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to select your audience. You can see target adult traffic, target mainstream traffic. In this case, it is not adult content, so you have to select mainstream traffic. Once that is done, you can see delivery method. If it is allowed on mobile device, you can select mobile. If it is allowed on desktop, select desktop. In this case, the offer is allowed on desktop, so select desktop. Once that is done, you can see choose method. When you click on it, you can see these are the ad formats that you can select. Select any of these ad formats that you want. In this case, I'm going to select in-page push ads, so select that. Once you select it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see this is the top CPC. You can see everything. Now you have to create your ad, so click right here, create new push ad. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can be able to create your ad. When you scroll down, you can see you have to upload an image of the offer that you are promoting. So you have to come back on CPA Grip so that you can get an image of the offer that you are promoting. Once you come back, you can see this is an image of the offer. Right click on the offer image, select save image as so that you can download the image of the offer. Once that is done, click right here, save as considered has been done. Once that is done, you have to come back, click right here to upload your image. Once you click on it, select your image. You can see this is the image selected, and then click on open. Once you click on open, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see this is the image. Now what you have to do is that you have to enter the title of your ad. You can see enter title, you have to enter 30 characters. You can see the description, you have to enter it here, and your affiliate link, you have to enter it right here. So the title, you have to go back on CPA Group so that you can copy the title and then paste it right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA Group. Once you come back, they only need 30 characters, so just copy some portion of the title. Do not copy everything because it is not allowed. They only need 30 characters, so just copy some few text of the title. Once that is done, you have to come back and then paste it right here. Paste it here as considered has been done. Once that is done, you have to paste the description here. The description, they also need few words, so what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, just copy some text in the description. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it here as considered has been done. Once that is done, you have to enter your affiliate link right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, click on copy link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you're going to come back and then paste it right here as considered has been done. Once you enter all the details, if you want, you can add an icon image. To add an icon image, click on it. Once you click on it, you can see upload new icon image. Click on it so that you can be able to upload the image of the offer that you downloaded. So select the offer image, click on open. Once you click on it, you can see it has been uploaded. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, create all, so that you can create your ad creative. As you can see, it has been created successfully. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down so that you can continue with the rest of the details of your ad. You can see this is your ad creative. Just scroll down so that you can enter the rest of the details. Once you scroll down, you can see targeting. The first one is country, so you have to select the country that you are targeting. In this case, the offer is allowed in Switzerland, so what you have to do is that you have to deselect all these countries. To deselect them, click on it. Once you click on quick select, click right here, none. Once that is done, you can now search for the country that you want. So search for Switzerland. Once you search for it, you can see Switzerland right here. Select it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see languages. Click on it. Once you click on it, select the languages that you are targeting. First of all, you have to deselect all of them. So click right here, quick select. Once that is done, click on none. Once you click on it, now you can search for the language that you want. So first of all, we want to search for German. You can see German, select it. Once that is done, we also want to search for French. So search for French, you can see it right here. Once that is done, we also want to search for English. So search for English, you can see English, select it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see orientations. Click on it. Once you click on it, the orientations are simply the categories. So you can see a whole lot of different categories. Any category that you want, you can select it. But in this case, we just want people from Switzerland to click on our link and then take a specific action for us to make money. So you can leave it like this. Once that is done, you have to click right here, OS, operating system. You have to select the operating system that you want. So just leave it at default. We are targeting all Windows. It is allowed on desktop. There is no specific Windows requirement, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see browsers. Click on it. There is no specific browser requirement, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see connection type. There is no specific connection type requirement, so just leave it. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see distribution, unlimited sources or sub-sources, limited sources or sub-sources. So any of them that you want, you can select it. So just ignore all of that. Once that is done, if you want to schedule your campaign, you can click right here, schedule, so that you can schedule your campaign. If you don't want your campaign to run on certain days of the week, you can do that. You can see it right here. You can see everything. But in this case, we are going to leave it at a default. Once that is done, you can see retargeting. We don't have any audience, so just leave it. You can see whitelist. If you want to add certain websites, you can do that. Blacklist. If you want to blacklist any website, you can do that. The rules, we are not going to create any rules, so just leave it. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to look at the traffic. You can see they have spending mode, evenly, and they have immediately. Evenly means your ad is going to run in 24 hours. Immediately means this website can spend your money at any time that they want. But in this case, we want to select evenly. We want the ad to run 24 hours so that we can get many people to click on it. Apart from that, you can see daily budget. How much are you willing to spend per day? The default is $10, but if you want, you can increase it or you can decrease it. It depends on whatever that you want. Once that is done, you can see CPC, the cost per click. How much are you willing to pay per every click that you get? You can see this is the minimum amount and this is the maximum amount. Any of them that you can afford, you can select it. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to increase it. So let me make it 8. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can update it. As you can see, it has been updated. Once that is done, you have to click right here, create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you can see campaign creation process completed. Your campaign has been created. You can click right here to edit your campaign, or you can click right here to create a new campaign. Now once you have created your campaign, the next step is that you have to deposit money into your accounts so that your ad can run. If you don't deposit money into your accounts, your ad is not going to run. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on the account. Once you click on it, you can see funds. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Click on load. Once you click on load, you can see these are the methods of payment that you can use to deposit money into your accounts. So if you want to pay by credit card, you can select that. By voucher, you can select that. Once you select it, you have to enter the amount here. For example, you have selected credit card. Now what you have to do is that you have to enter the amount that you want to deposit. $25 is the minimum amount that you can deposit into this website. So just enter the amount that you want. Once you enter the amount that you want to deposit, what you need to do is that you have to accept the terms of services, privacy policy, and refund policy. Once you accept it, click right here, load funds. Once you click on load funds, you have to enter your email address, enter your card number, the expiring date, and then the secret code. Once that is done, you can go ahead and then make a payment so that you can deposit money into your accounts. Once you deposit the money into your accounts, your ad is going to start running and you are going to be getting people who live in Switzerland to click on your affiliate link and then submit a pin so that you can be paid $22.25 per every lead that you get. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.